TurboTax, TaxAct. Which one is the better tax software for you? Well, today we are going to explore these options. We want to know what features they have and how they can benefit you. So without further ado, let's climb in. Okay, so let's dive into TurboTax. So TurboTax can simplify your tax season. It transforms tax filing from complicated to simple. It guides you through the entire process with expert support as well as a bunch of smart features. Let's explore a little bit more how it stands out from other tax software options. So you get access to tax experts, and this is always fantastic. You can get answers to specific tax questions instantly. Experts guide you through confusing deductions and credits, and you have a dedicated expert handling your returns from start to finish. They'll even ensure maximum accuracy and a refund potential. You also get expert guidance, which reduces your audit risk. Complex tax situations can become more manageable with a more professional oversight. You get reviews of your information. So the system actually automatically scans your tax details for opportunities. You get personalized suggestions which appear based on your unique situation, and you can find deductions and credits you might have missed. Also, you get double checks that your returns are free of errors before submitting. And having a look at one or two of their drawbacks over here, you can expect their pricing to be quite high. Okay, we're looking at TaxAct now. So it is a smart tax filing solution. It can help you file taxes with confidence. The software actually combines accuracy, convenience, and expert support. You can discover how TaxAct simplifies your tax preparation while protecting your financial interests. Let's have a look a little bit more. They guarantee a 100% accuracy. So 100% accuracy, what does that mean? So this means it's a complete coverage for peace of mind. TaxAct actually stands behind its calculations. So any software errors affecting your tax liability are actually covered, which means you're protected against costly mistakes. You get a maximum coverage of up to $100,000, and you can see over here that they have 0 files with complete confidence. Let's have a look at their auto import of your tax documents. So you can connect, you can link to employers and financial institutions. You can import automatically, transferring any documents, forms that you need to import. You can transfer prior year's returns from other software, and you can review important data for better accuracy. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. If you are looking for the best software, my advice is always to go and use the software. Have a real life first-hand experience with the software and see if it actually works in your specific scenario. If this really was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like, and we'll see you in another awesome video.